How to make money online 2025. Earning money online in the USA in 2025 offer a variety of opportunity ranging from traditional freelancing to innovative digital venture. Here are some avenues to consider. First is freelancing and remote work. The demand for freelance professionals continue to grow. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect individual with client seeking service in writing, graphics, designing, and programming, and more. A specialize in a niche area can enhance your earning potential. Second is affiliate marketing. By promoting product or service through your website, blog, or social media channel, you can earn commission on sale generated through your referral link. Success in affiliate marketing often require building a substantial and engaged audience. Third is online courses and ebooks. If you possess expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses or ebooks can be a lucrative source of passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Tech, Technable, and Amazon kindly direct publishing faculty the distribution of educational content. Fourth is e-commerce and drop shipping. Starting an online store allow you to sell product directly to consumer. Drop shipping enable you to sell product without holding in inventory as supplier ship item directly to customer. Platform like Shopsy and WooCommerce can help set up your e-commerce site. Fifth is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer opportunity to monetize content through ad revenue, a sponsorship, and merchandise sales. Building a dedicated following and consistently producing engaging content are key to success. Six is online survey and market research. Participating in online survey and market research studies can provide supplemental income. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbuck offer comprehension for sharing your opinion on various product and service. Seventh is virtual assistance. Many businesses seek virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks such as scheduling, email management, and customer service. This role often offers flexible hours and the ability to work with multiple clients. It is online tutoring and teaching. If you have professionally in a subject area, online tutoring platform like Jeg Tutors and VipKid allow you to teach a student worldwide, often with flexible scheduling. Ninth is stock photography and digital art. Photographer and digital artist can sell their work on a stock photography website like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, earning royalties each time their image are downloaded. 10 is online gaming and streaming. For those skilled in gaming, platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming offer opportunity to earn through live streaming, sponsorship, and viewer donation. Consideration for success in this field, you consider you consideration for success is first is a skill development. Continuously enhance your skill to remain competitive in the online marketplace. Second is time management. Balancing multiple online income streams required effective time management and organization. Third is legal tax obligation. Ensure compliance with local law and tax regulation related to online earning. Fourth is market research. Stay informed about industry trend and consumer preference to identify profitable opportunity. Fifth is by exploring these avenue and aligning them with your skill and interest. You can develop a suitable online income in 2025. For a visual overview of additional businesses idea, you might find the following video helpful.